Bitcoin is breaking out here right now to the upside, and I believe we could potentially see today $24,000 for Bitcoin. And if you want to know what I'm seeing here in the charts, then you should definitely stick here until the end and make sure that you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and also activate the notification bell so that you will never miss out when I put out one of these really important updates as I do today. And now let's get directly into the charts here. So here on the daily chart for Bitcoin, we can see that Bitcoin is trying again to test here the lower level of this bigger resistance area here, which starts at 23,300 all the way up to $25,200. So what we also can see here, that we have an upwards tilting bull flag on the daily chart. So we have of course the same bull flag also on the 4-hourly chart, and I will show you that in a second. So, and this bull flag could potentially mean that we go to over $24,000 today, potentially. So when before I show you that, when we're looking here on the 4-hourly chart, we can also see that we are retesting the upper level of the Bollinger Band, and we could see a wick out of it, and that could be the volatile move that we have been waiting for these last couple of days to see, while the Bollinger Band is squeezing, in which direction we are actually going. And it looks like that we will see a move here to the upside. Something else that tells me that a potential move here to the upside is imminent is when I look here at this candle formation. So because this is a evening star pattern, where we have here a doji candle in the middle, and here a red candle coming down, and then a green one pushing up. So, and that is a reversal pattern to the upside, a candlestick reversal pattern. So, and that is really important to notice here in that scenario, because if we close this candle, this 4-hourly candle, as it is right now, or close to what it is right now, then we can open a new long position in 1.5 hours from here. So, but we have to see if this candle can stay as it is. So if we would stay around these prices here, it would be almostly textbook for this candlestick pattern. Also, when we have a look here on our Wyckoff accumulation pattern, this is also textbook playing out here. So we had here this small correction that we should have gotten after that initial pump. So that was here. So now we are above here this odd resistance. So, and from there we should see a move to the upside here, and only then a correction, a small one, and then a further pump to the upside direction of $28,000, $30,000 approximately. So that is also something that we should definitely not forget. So when we're going now to the 4-hourly chart, so here we can clearly see we have here this downward sloping resistance line, and here this downward sloping support line. And then when we're looking at the pole, then we get our technical target. So, and we have broken out of that bull flag already, so you could technically open already a long position here. The target is $25,500, and that is of course above this whole resistance area. So, and don't forget guys, if you want to open a long position, do that on BYBIT. There you still get $30,000 absolutely for free and bonuses if you use this specific link here. I negotiated that for BYBIT only for you. I can potentially also still extend that. I have to talk to them about that before they cancel it again. On Bitget, $20,000 for free, also only with the link in the pinned comment below or in the description of that video. So now when we go back here also on the daily chart, we can clearly see here, if I pull from here the pole and put it to the upside, where I get more or less the same target. So here in the daily chart, we have not broken out so clearly yet, but we will see tonight how this is playing out. So let's just wait for this 4-hourly candle to close to see where we at, and if we're still above that bull flag formation here on the 4-hourly chart, then I'm definitely open a long position and will notify you in my free Telegram channel that is also in the description below if you want to join my free community and trade the trades that I'm taking myself. Guys, that's it already for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below if you think that can we reach $24,000 today, and make sure that you smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you then again tomorrow.